What is up, you guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day. We are on an adventure again today. I'm not feeling really well. I'm not 100%. I'm still not 100%. But I figured that I still need to go out and make the best out of this trip. So today we are going to Ubud, and we are going to find out this waterfall hidden in a cave. So let's see if we can find it. Wayang is here as well. He's gonna take me there. Time for some road trip. Alright, we've been in the car for nearly 2 hours now because of traffic. There's a lot of rice view here in Bali. Alright, I think we finally made it. But then from here, we need to hike to this waterfall. So, it's a hike. Nature everywhere, guys. Nature. Nature! There's a ticketing counter here. How much is it? So like I told you guys, everywhere you go, there's always an entrance fee. Here, it's 15,000 rupiah, which is like $1.50 Singapore. But the thing is, like, everywhere you go, you have to pay. And it's a hike. Oh my god! Oh my god! Stairs! You should see it. Oh, my knees. Not good for my knees. Really not good for my knees. This is not good for my knees. Let me show you guys. Look at how steep the stairs is. It's crazy. Oh, there's more. Look. Look. This guy is doing it so easily. I think I really need to get a massage after this. Maybe later. There's a little shop there that sells drinks. How many more stairs? Coming up will be a problem for me. You guys have no idea how hard this is with a guy with a shit and messed up knee. And I am doing this for you. This is how I'm going down. I'm doing this for YouTube. I don't know how much views and subscribers I'll get doing this, but yeah. I mean, try doing this with this backpack on. It's not light. Okay, yeah. Oh my god! It's a long way down. So I think I'm done with all the stairs now. No. I'm not supposed to go. This is really interesting though. There's a little water running through over there. Look at the water. Alright, a much easier hike now. Let's see how far more we have to go. I like this, guys. Look at this. It's so pretty. You know, I should have a floater and then I sit on this and it can drag me all the way to the waterfall. Check this out. I got a little mosquito bite, guys. But it's all part and parcel of being in the jungle. More stairs, some more? Oh no. Look at him! How fast? Alright guys, the stairs are getting a bit more steeper now. But you can see things are getting wet there. God, check this out. Wow. Guys, look at this! This is crazy! It's kinda wet and we gotta go through this small little passageway and it's... Oh shit! it is wet, and I hope I don't spoil my camera doing this. But yes, it is very wet. Oh my god, guys. It is wet. But I think we are almost here. But look at this, we have to... Oh my. I climb up this shit. How am I gonna climb up? Ah! That was an awesome experience. Definitely worth the experience. I mean, seriously, you don't get any better than this. This shouldn't be my first adventure. It really tops up the list. But really, it was beautiful. You guys really should come here. Okay, now we go up. Up. I don't know how. Can you carry me? Oh shit! Seriously. Even you're tired. Shut up. Going up is a challenge. And you thought going down was terror. That's not the worst part yet. The worst part is yet to come. We just made it halfway, and I need a break. Time out. It's too tiring. It's... Oh my god. I'm not kidding, man. Look at this. I'm not kidding. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but these are really high steps. Look at this. You step on a rock to go up. And then, of course, there's more. It never ends. Maybe if I show you the view of what I'm doing, you get a better idea of how hard it is. I need banana to fix my knees again. That's too much. The struggle is real, guys. I'm not even kidding. I feel like I'm gonna faint any minute now. Alright, I made it to the van. And as you can see, I'm full of sweat. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I will see you in the next one. I'm gonna break up the vlogs. That's why. I'll start again. We're going somewhere else now, but I'll do it for the next vlog. Keep smiling and see ya!